So we showed you the unboxing of another Coleman product. Well, today we decided to get another Coleman product to replace our last grill with a new one. This one looks really cool. It's the Coleman RoadTrip Grill. It comes in black and red. We got it in black. So we haven't opened it yet. We want to show you guys what's inside. So join me as I open this up. Okay, let's open this up.
Bum, bum, bum.
Okay.
Would you like help getting it out?
I think I can do it.
I know you can.
If I drop it, it'll make for fun. Okay. Okay. Nicely packed in styrofoam and plastic. So let's do this first. Don't forget, it tells you there's accessories. So let's undo that. Oh, that's important. This is to hook up to your propane. Perfect. Let's put that to the side for now. Okay, so let's get into this bad boy here. What you gonna do?
What you gonna grill?
What you gonna grill?
What you gonna grill on the Coleman grill?
Oh, I think you got a new
What
sign.
you gonna grill? What you gonna grill on the Coleman grill?
Everyone can tell the assistant I have today, so... Okay, here we go. We're gonna open this up. Ready? Can you see it?
I can see it beautifully.
Alright.
Dum, dum, dum.
So, one of the reasons we chose this is it's got this nice lining in here to make it so much easier to clean. Our last one was a tough one to get clean after cooking. So let's take off some more of this cardboard. Like I said, they really package this well. Okay. That's all to the side.
I think you take that Coleman thing off too.
That's probably good before you start cooking.
Oh, you've ruined it.
Well, I'll finish that later. Okay, so the cool thing with this is it has 2 burners, which is fantastic. So you could cook, let's say, steaks on one side and your veggie on the other. And you can control the temperature that you want. Also, this one has a starter button, which will be very important when we get going on this, when you connect the propane. So let's see what else is in the box. You gotta have this. Well, yeah.
We don't need no instructions.
Most people, a lot of people don't like these, so they just throw it away. But Anne likes to keep it handy.
Like my husband would say.
Okay, so now it looks like we're opening up the grill.
I got one piece.
I got the other.
I'm a helper.
He's a helper. So this is very cool. So this is what we will be putting on there along with the other piece. So let's come on over.
I think it's the other side.
I think it's this side.
I think it's the other side.
Well, from what I've seen pictures
Okay.
of. Maybe I'm wrong.
The only reason I say that
Why?
is because it looks like the burner right there
Huh?
is smaller.
Well,
But
we'll
we'll
try.
go with your way, because you're probably right, because I'm usually wrong.
You know what though? I think the nice thing with the Coleman is you can
Interchange?
interchange. So we did not get the other parts, but I did see that you can actually get a separate side for like a griddle. So it's all smooth. Or you can even get kind of like a silver burner
Cooktop?
side, like a burner for cooking
Okay.
veggies, like a pot of veggies.
Ooh.
So you could have your main area for cooking
So I could do my burgers
Yep.
and my beans?
and your beans
Oh,
all at the same time.
excellent.
So that closes up nicely.
Does it have a latch?
Okay, so let's go over a couple of things. So when I was doing reviews on this Coleman stove, there's two big disappointments that people have. One is it does not have a latch to close it up while you're on the road, so it may open up on you. The other thing is they don't have an actual bag to put it in right now to fit actual measurements. I think we have a bag here at our coach, so so we will try that and see if that fits. If it does, I'll post that out, so hopefully people will know that there is a bag option that could solve two of your issues in one.
And if it doesn't fit in the bag, I might cut it out.
Right. So this is our Coleman RoadTrip Grill. We seem really excited about it. We want to cook steaks very quickly on this thing. So,
Excellent.
but it's nice and portable, which is fantastic.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, by the way, it's also got 11,000 BTUs. So
Wow.
it's got to be quite a lot to help cook your food. This is what happens when I unbox. I get the peanut gallery in the background. Hope you enjoy.
I think it's more like a cashew gallery. That's okay.
You just never know what you're gonna get. So next part of this video will show you what it's like cooking.
All hooked up to flame?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, we got everything set up. We got the stickers removed off the inside. I probably have to say that's probably my complaint is these crazy stickers. It takes forever to get it off, but finally did it, took care of it. So now let's take a look at the regulator that is on the back side of this grill. So if you look here, this is the regulator. So you just have to make sure this is screwed in tightly on the back.
Regulators!
Now,
Tighten up.
now you can also put just like a 1-can cylinder of propane on here.
Like the green camping cans.
So make it easier for camping, obviously. But the nice thing is we have a regulator connector to go straight down to our propane tank. So we can cook a lot more with one propane.
Should we light this sucker?
Let's light this. Let's see if it'll work.
Okay, gas is
Hopefully
on.
I read the instructions right, so let's try this. So you turn the light, you hit the button, and it should light.
Give it a minute to feed. Good.
There it goes. And let's try the other side. Get it onto the arrow with the little fire button. You can already feel the heat. And that one turned on too. So we have solid heat all around the inside of the Coleman.
Wow.
So just as easy as that. If you want to turn it off, just flip it to the right.
Nice. And what's that setting for?
I am not sure. I think it's just to tell you there's a distinction between the two sides.
Huh.
This is for your right side and this is for your left.
Okay. Good stuff.
So after looking at the instruction booklet, I wanted to make sure we had the toppers for inside the Coleman correct, and I was right. So the larger portion goes on the left side, the smaller portion goes on the right. So if you get a griddle option, it would be right here, and if you got a burner, it's supposed to be right here. Now we might have seen one that goes on this side, which would be nice because then you'd have all this area to cook, but so you just have to take a look when you're researching. So hopefully this was helpful for you. We really are going to enjoy this Coleman, I believe. We're ready to cook some really good meals on it. And it's nice, it's compact, it's great to have on the road. So hopefully you enjoyed our Coleman RoadTrip Grill review. Okay, so we told you there's that issue about not having a latch or having a bag to carry it. Well, we've got a solution for you. There's a brand out there called Camp Chef that makes covers for their own grills, but guess what? If you open this up, maybe, it fits not only our Coleman RoadTrip Grill, but it also fits our Coleman burner that we also got recently too. So there's your solution. You can fit 2 in one bag. So where can you get this bag that we found? You can go online. You can go actually to our website and go through our Amazon link, and you can find it there. So hopefully you'll get a great deal and a great price on it and enjoy it as much as we are. It's a great durable bag, and it definitely fits both of these 2 Coleman products. It's not designed for it, but we made it work, and so that definitely solves your traveling issue when you're on your RV. So how do you get to our link? Go to our website, runawaywithusrv.com, go into Shop With Us, and that'll take you to our Amazon link. And that is where you can find this great product, along with other products that we found along the way in our RV journey. Thank you, and we appreciate you watching this video. If you want to see other videos like this, follow us right here on our channel. We would love to see you every Sunday and Wednesday when we put out another video.